at section 5.4 is a section on multiplying polynomials. I'm going to start with a simple example first. X plus 3 times x minus 2. Okay. And again, the technique for this section I recommend is FOIL, which is first, outer, inner, last. Okay. And what that means is that you're going to take the first terms in each set of parentheses and multiply those together first. So we've got x times x, which is x squared. Then you're going to take the outer terms, which are these two. X times negative 2 is a negative 2x. Then you're going to take your inner terms, which are these guys right here, and multiply those together. So 3 times x plus 3x. And then last are the two last terms in each set of parentheses. So we've got 3 times negative 2, which gives us a negative 6. Okay, and then we can combine our like terms in the middle together here. So this would give us x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, now we're going to take a slightly more complicated example. This brackets with the 2a plus b minus 3 squared in the middle. Now, this expression essentially means 2a plus b minus 3 times 2a plus b minus 3. Again, we're going to use the same strategy that we did with the last one. Even though this looks a little more daunting, just bear with me. You'll see that it actually will work out quite nicely by the time we're done. So, with the first terms, this set of parentheses, this 2a plus b, that is your first term. So we're going to multiply that by that. So we've got 2a plus b times 2a plus b. I recommend just leaving that the way it is for now. So there's our first. Our outer, this term, times that one. So that's going to be minus 3 times that 2a plus b. We have the same term for our inner term, minus 3 times 2a plus b. And then our last terms are this negative 3 times negative 3, which gives us a positive 9. Now we got to break down these terms a little bit further. So again, we have two sets of polynomials here multiplied together. We're going to use FOIL again. I'm going to do 2a times 2a, which is 4a squared. 2a times this b, which gives us 2ab. Again, we have 2a times b, which is another 2ab. Then we have b times b, which gives us our b squared. Okay. Now we're going to tackle these terms here. We're going to multiply this negative 3 through. So we've got negative 3 times 2a is a negative 6a. Negative 3 times positive b is a minus 3b. Get the same thing over here. I'm sorry, whoops. That should have been a 6. Minus 6a minus 3b. And that plus 9 remains unchanged. So now we can go about combining together our like terms. These guys out in front don't have anything in common with the rest of the terms, because none of these, we don't have another a squared term, we don't have any other ab terms other than these two, we don't have another b squared term. So this 4a squared will remain unchanged. We can combine these two together, however, into 4ab. We have that lone b squared term. Now we can combine this 6a with that 6a. I'm sorry, those are negative, so that would give us a negative 12a. We can combine this negative 3b with that negative 3b, which would give us a negative 6b. And then we just add our constant on at the end. And that is this polynomial all multiplied out. Please let me know if you have any questions.